Hi and welcome to yet another CMA video. Shimano Shadow Plus rear derailleurs come equipped with a chain stabilizer system. When switched to the on position, it reduces chain slack by increasing the force needed to move the derailleur cage, preventing it from moving forward. However, from time to time the chain stabilizer system may require small adjustments. For instance, if shifting becomes harder, you might need to reduce friction. On the other hand, if the chain keeps bouncing and coming off even when the clutch is engaged, you may need to increase the friction. So, in today's video, I'll guide you through the process of adjusting the Shimano Shadow Plus rear derailleur clutch. Ready? Let's begin. Tools required: 2mm Allen key, 5.5mm spanner. All their Shadow Plus rear derailleurs have a small 5.5mm spanner, positioned outside the chain stabilizer mechanism. This tool serves two functions: reinforcing the clutch mechanism and adjusting the hexagonal screw on the stabilizer unit. Torque wrench with a M4 bit. Preparation: set the clutch lever to the off position. Use a 2mm Allen key to undo and remove the 3-plate unit cover screws. Remove the cover. Adjust the torque wrench to 5.4 Nm. This is the recommended torque by Shimano. Adjusting friction. To increase friction, use a 5.5mm spanner or a 2mm Allen key and turn it clockwise quarter of a turn. To decrease friction, turn a 5.5mm spanner or 2mm Allen key anti-clockwise quarter of a turn. Push and hold the cam unit and move the clutch lever to the on position. Insert the 4mm torque wrench into the plate axle. Turn the torque wrench anti-clockwise until the derailleur arm completes its entire movement. At this point, the torque wrench should click. If it doesn't, the friction should be increased. Move the clutch lever to the off position and turn the cam adjusting bolt a quarter turn clockwise. If the torque wrench clicks before the arm reaches its maximum point, then it means that there is too much friction. Move the clutch lever to the off position and turn the cam adjusting bolt a quarter turn anti-clockwise. While holding the cam unit, move the clutch lever to the on position and check again the friction torque. If required, make further adjustments until you are satisfied. Reinstall the plate unit cover. And that's it! You have successfully adjusted the friction on the Shimano Shadow Plus rear derailleur. Test ride the bike and, if required, make further adjustments to suit your riding style. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below how you got on adjusting the clutch on your Shimano rear derailleur. If you want to support the channel, then please subscribe, like and share this video with others. And if you feel extra generous, then consider a small donation through the Super Thanks button below the video. Thanks, and see you soon!